Skin Therapy Show continues, and one of my favorite parts of the show are the actual demonstrations where you get to see what actually happens when you do come into the spa. Tracy joins me now.
Thank you very much. My name is Tracy and I'm the spa admin at Tara Spa, and I'm going to walk you through what happens during the relaxation period.
Okay, all right. So we have a model ready to go here, and we're going to have a treatment that we're going to be taking part of today. So let's begin, and you can explain to us what's happening.
Wonderful. So as Musa began to explain, we concentrate more on the 5 senses. And as she begins, we alert the body to relax, because essentially you need to first relax and then the therapy begins.
So the 5 senses being?
The 5 senses are touch, smell, seeing, feeling, and tasting.
Okay.
Yes. As you can see, she's doing a Japanese type of massage that involves Thai and Western techniques, a combination of the two. So it's more of stretching and making the body completely relaxed.
And this is a full body affair?
Yes, it's a full body affair.
Okay.
Involving catwalking with the hand.
Explain that to me, because when I think of catwalking, I think of something completely, I think fashion.
So there's a way you see the way cats walk.
Yes. Okay.
Now with the hands, you walk throughout the whole body. As a therapist, she has to actually feel the whole essence of the guest's body.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So this is just to make sure that someone is nice and relaxed.
Yes.
For the next step.
Yes.
Well, she looks relaxed. She looks asleep, actually.
It's very calming.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So this is one of the standard practices or treatments that you do here.
Yes. Combined with several techniques, and us being a Thai spa, most people consider having like jacuzzis to begin with a sense of relaxation. Mm-hmm. But here, since it's more Thai, the essence of catwalking to calm the body, and then you continue with the whole relaxation thing.
It's a very specific process.
Yes. The massages take roughly between 60 and 90 minutes, depending on what you want. But you won't actually feel it.
Cats walking all over me for 60 minutes.
But you actually won't feel it. Your mind will completely lock out.
Yeah.
And then now you're more in tune with yourself.
Yeah.
So your whole body, it's like activating your whole chakra system. You're in tune from your head to your toe. Yeah. You won't notice time passing by.
How often would you recommend someone to do this type of massage?
Once a week.
Once a week?
Yes. And if you can, at least once a month, because our bodies get tensed up completely. Okay. And the more tensed up you get, your cortisol levels rise, the stress levels rise, and you can even clock out. Your body can just clock out.
Okay.
Yes. So now once she's done, we don't just wake our guests up.
Because I'm assuming you've fallen asleep during that process.
Yes.
Yeah.
So with us, we have a bell.
Okay.
Remember the chakra system I was telling you about? It begins from the head to the feet. Mm-hmm. She's going to do an 8 formation throughout the body to wake the body from the head to the feet. Very calming.
Yeah, when you said bell, I wasn't sure what to expect. Welcome back to the Skin Therapy Show. My name is Joy Mupengi, and today our guest, Mr. Musa Abdel, has been talking to us more about the work that he does here regarding, spa work in general and how to maintain a healthy lifestyle. We've just seen a little bit of a demonstration of some of the work that you do here, but a couple more questions for you. In terms of, for someone watching who just comes into your spa and has heard what you have to say and they're interested, what considerations do you make before prescribing specific treatments for specific people?
So basically we focus how you feel now and how you like to feel after. This is the main concept of Tara Spa and part of from Zenaz. So how you feel now, start from the booking time. So we have the system online, so to save the time, because now saving time is a luxury. It's not something that the goal, the thing is, no, save my time because my time is precious.
Valuable, yeah.
Okay, so they have all description there. They have link to go to our YouTube channel so they understand, because sometimes the word is not described properly.
Yeah.
So you can see it and say, yeah, I like this treatment.
Yeah.
So he understands how or what he will receive. When he arrives, there is a consultation form to be done, which between the therapist and between the guest, to be ensured that he have any reconsideration, any demanding. And in the room, we care about how the privacy, how to be comfortable from all the 5 senses.
Yeah.
We have it, what you smell, what you hear, what you see, what you feel. And we go through the product, what you use, it must be compatible with what they offer. So
okay.
for that, every treatment have a signature aromatherapy oil for it.
Yeah.
So it's compatible and complete the holistic concept of everything. After they finish the treatment, there is, as we see, there is opening and closing ceremony. So this touch and effect in every element of our body and every sense you have.
Wow. Okay. So like you said, you personalize your treatments. Of course, I was going to ask you about people who have maybe limited mobility, they have health issues where they're not able at liberty to move around, normally. So you also can cater to those people.
Yeah, of course. With anyone have a special condition or a special care thing.
Yeah.
First of all, we need to be sure we are in a contact with his doctor.
Yeah.
So he advises what we can do, what we need to avoid. And after that, we tailor-made for him what can be aimed for his case.
Yeah.
So we handle as we say, personalizing and made to measure. This is the main concept for us.
Yeah. Again, talking about post-COVID-19, everybody was indoors. A lot of people were working from home, not really taking care of their health as they probably once were. People aren't really working out. They're not maybe eating right, a lot of stress-related eating and such. So what did you see now that, many countries have started to open up and people are sort of adjusting to the new normal? What sort of health issues were people coming in with, or skin-related
So basically,
issues?
majority of the things have a problem with the tone of the muscle, because also it was a little of trending that everyone running in the natural, everyone start to be let's go quickly for the sport, so they overloading. They come with injuries, shoulder injury, back injury, because they go to the gym, they go to sometimes not go with the professional PTs and professional trainers. So it's here for them, and I want to go back to work because we're open next week. So I need to be gel sponge.
Yeah.
It can't work. You have to take it step by step, slowly. So majority they come with this kind of either this injuries, or they come with this low tone of the muscle. So we work at how to activate it and how to balance this acidity, the metabolism in the body, and how to make it the mobility of the joints back again to the normal.
That's really interesting. I hadn't actually thought about muscle tone, because it's true, you've just been kind of like moving from one place in your house to another place and just sitting.
Exactly.
So you're not really,
using normal way.
Yeah.
So you not carry things, everything you order delivery, everything you come by yourself. So the life start to be swipe everything, touch everything.
Yeah.
So make it the tone and the body has been created to be moved, not to be sit up.
Yeah, in the alkaline diet. For people who are not familiar with that, maybe you can explain.
So alkaline diet, you need to reduce the oil and fat, it's alkaline. Okay, and we need to also maintain the pH in our blood, 5.5. So the blood will carry the oxygen and the mineral comfortably for all the cells.
Okay.
Once this start to be increased, there is a lot of minerals being broken while it has been carried by the cells. So you will not be nutrited. You will eat well, but the nutrition not go to the body.
Okay.
So you need to be sure how you eat the water, the clean water, the vegetable, the color. Be sure that your plate have a color.
Bright colors you want to see on the plate.
Different colors, 3 colors at least.
Okay.
So if you have something red, something yellow, and something green, or blue, you make it different. So not have one color, everything with one spicy. Reduce the chili.
Really?
Yes.
I thought it's good for your metabolism.
No, it's nice. Not every meal.
Not every meal.
Okay, and enjoy the taste of everything. So if you enjoy the taste of everything, you will enjoy the life.
Yeah.
Not everything is the chili, not everything is one taste. It's another taste.
Yeah.
Use the salt. Salt increase the pH. So you need to reduce the salt.
Yeah. What would you say is the most common issue that people come in here trying to solve, that come to the spa or trying to, get healthier? What's Is there one issue specifically? You talked about this spa catering to the African or Kenyan market and not just, a globalized standard.
So majority of the complaint or the people come with this demand, the stress, especially in the shoulder area, the nuts, the nuts, the trigger point. So people don't know from what. I think from driving, from the computer, from writing, disk.
I've had that as well. I've had some issues.
So it has two reasons. Basically, psychologically and physiologically. Psychologically, the head is present the will. This is what I want to do. It's in my mind. But my body, what I have to do. Okay? So sometimes I have to meet someone or do something, but my will inside, I don't want. So this energy, meet this energy in the shoulder area, block here.
Okay.
So this is what created the stress first. For that, you be stressful, stressless life. Do what you like to do. Simply.
That's it.
So you will have less stress. You will enjoy what you do. You enjoy your life. You will be slow living. This psychologically. Physiologically, you will have the position. You will keep the tone, muscle flexion for a long time. Like I'm in the computer.
A good posture.
Driving, and still I have to be standing in this posture.
Yeah.
So this is what created flexion in the muscle, and this creates the nuts. But physiologically, it will never make it the size what sometimes client come with or guest come with.
Right.
So yeah, it's two together created internally and externally.
Yeah.
So it created a big part. So we try, and people expecting I come to spa. One session I will.
I'm good. I'm healed.
How? You collected this during a year, and now come and say like the diet or the cellulite. People eating for 5-6 years unhealthy, and I go. You remove this, I go home.
Does not work like that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So at least it's supposed to be there is a formula for this.
Yeah.
If you earn this thing is in 1 year, expecting 10 to 20% of the time to lose it.
Yeah.
If you work with a lifestyle change.
Yeah. Mr. Musa, can I get some final thoughts from you for the audience watching about everything that we've talked about here today?
So basically, spa yourself.
Spa yourself.
Yes.
Okay.
So enjoy. Life is not only about running. Enjoy the life. Pamper yourself. Visit us. We are welcome, and you are welcome all the time. And we like to host you and all the audience. And take it easy.
Yeah.
Life is not hard enough.
Yeah, you're okay.
Yeah.
That's one thing I've learned from you today.
Exactly.
Well, thank you so much,
And
Mr.
I'd like
Musa.
to thank you, of course, and all the
Oh, thank you so much. It's been a pleasure being here. We've had such a great time. Remember, if you want to be part of the conversation, we would love to have you on our social media pages at The Skin Therapy Show. And if you do have any questions or comments, we'll answer those in the shows to come. So thank you again for all of your insight today.
Thank you for coming.
It's The Skin Therapy Show.